No matter how well you train yourself or your staff, mistakes in sales are bound to happen. Now, when these mistakes occur, many store owners may have a brief feeling of panic. But fear not, because there are plenty of ways of fixing these mistakes with little effort. In this tutorial, we're going to review how and where you can update info after a sale is completed, while also going through specific scenarios that may occur. Let's start out by going to Reports. Then go to the Sales Detail Report. If you're logged in as an admin, then you will see the edit icon next to each sale. By clicking this, you can see several fields that will allow you to update the sale. These fields are things like sales date, tender type, customer or employee, and the ability to void a sale. Voiding a sale will delete the record of the sale from reporting and add the items back into your in-stock inventory. But voiding will not return any credit card funds to the customer. The idea behind a void is that the correct amount was collected from the customer, but there was a mistake in the sale. If funds do need to be returned, then you would want to issue a return through Ricochet, and we'll cover that in future tutorials. Let's review a few common errors that may occur. The most common is that an item was sold under the wrong consignor or with the incorrect commission split. Luckily, these are very simple fixes and do not require voiding a sale. Simply find the item in the product screen, click the Edit button, then go to either the commission split or consignor field and update the information. Splits can be chosen from the drop-down menu, or you can create a new split to add to the item. And to change the consignor, click the field to clear out the name, then start typing the name of the correct consignor. If you type in the first and last name, or even just a few letters, then give a brief pause, the software will formulate the option below. Once the new option is chosen, click Save. This will update the payout with the correct split, or move the item to the correct consignor account, and will also update the SKU. So in case you do this before an item sells, you will need to print a new label because the SKU attached to that item and barcode are going to change. The only exception to this is if an item is added as a retail item rather than a consigned item. There's a hard split between consigned and retail inventory. So if you have added an item in as a retail item when it should have been consigned, you'll need to void the sale, archive the item, then add it underneath the correct consignor and re-ring the sale. Other scenarios that may occur is if a discount was applied incorrectly. Maybe an employee clicked shared rather than store only. Voiding then re-ringing the sale would be the best option. Of course, re-ringing sales can pose a big problem. What if the consignor had already paid with a credit card and were using an integrated merchant service? You can't mark the sale as credit card because it'll prompt you to run the card again. The way around this is to use the check tender type simply to push the sale through. Once the sale is recorded, then go back to the sales detail report, click the Edit button for the sale, then update the tender type. Finally, you do have the ability to change the sales date of the sale in case you caught this mistake a few days later.